Hey, good afternoon. Okay, so I want to welcome everybody to the 2019 Omega Psi Phi Scholarship Raffle. And what we're going to be doing here very shortly is we're going to be selecting three random numbers that will determine the winners of our raffle for this year. So the way this process is going to work is I'm going to use a software called random.org. We have ticket numbers 1 through 2000. I'm going to put in the entire ticket range. And then from there, we're basically going to allow the software to generate three random numbers. Okay, once the software generates a number, I'm going to switch over to my spreadsheet where I'm actually tracking the tickets that sold and their ticket numbers. Okay, I'm also going to review any unsold ticket numbers. I have those as well. And then look at all of our tickets, and we're going to try to confirm our winner for the afternoon. Okay. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I'm on random.org. Ticket number is going to be 1 through 2000. Okay, I'm going to randomly generate a number, go over and verify the number, write down that number to make sure that it was in fact a winning number. Okay, so drum roll, please. And this is going to be our first number for the afternoon. Okay, and here we go. Okay, the first number is 1105. 1105. So again, our winning number is 1105. That's our first number that was generated. So we're going to pop over and see, make sure that was in fact a sold ticket. And as you can see, 1105 is in this range. This means that ticket was sold by the Bobby Roberson. Okay, that was a ticket that was in fact sold. So now we're going to pop over to our next tab and see who that potential winner was. So as you can see, I have recorded all of these numbers. Okay, and I'm looking for 1105, and there we are. It looks like Mr. Edward Hazelrig is the winner of our first prize. So our first prize, which is the 70-inch flat screen high definition TV, goes to Mr. Edward Hazelrig. And we're going to go ahead and highlight this one to indicate that he is one of our three winners. All right. Okay, so now we're going to pop back over. And basically, we have two more times to do this. So again, our numbers are 1 through 2000. We're going to allow the software to generate our second number. The second number in our second winning prize is actually the Xbox bundle. So we're going to go ahead and generate that number. And here we go. 1529. 1529 is the next number. Okay, 1529 was our second number that we generated. Okay, and I'm going to go over just to check to make sure that number was assigned to a ticket that was in fact sold. Looks like that number was sold by Brother John Cooper in the range of 1521 to 0620. Okay, and unfortunately, I don't have the stuff back to verify the actual winner, so I will contact Brother Cooper first thing in the morning, make sure that we get the winner of that particular bundle. Okay. And so with that, we're also going to keep going and then work on our third and final number. Okay, and this time we're actually going to start the software all over just to make sure everything is equitable and fair. Okay, we're going to be working with numbers 1 through 2000 again. Okay, and we're just going to let this generate our third and final number, and here we go. Okay, that number is 880. 880. Okay, so we're going to go over, and now this was able to go over and verify that ticket number 880 falls in this range of 821 to 920, which is owned by Carlton Jenkins. Okay, so again, I don't have all my stuff in, so I'm going to have to contact Carlton Jenkins to determine if in fact ticket number 880 was sold and to whom. And if so, that will be the winner of the $200 gift card. So that's our third and final number. So again, stay tuned, and we will conclude once these confirmations have happened. And if these turn out to be unsold tickets or whatever, then we will continue the drawing until we have two additional winners or one as appropriate. Okay, thanks a lot and take care.